Hi guys, happy new year. Like, it is 2022 guys here in China. It's not yet 2022 in Jamaica or other places in the world, but yeah, in China at 2022, and it don't look too bad. Like, I'm going out with a couple of my co-workers. We're going to this park, but girl, it don't look nice, I'm not lie. Girl, you don't look nice. So she put on her makeup to her ear, put on like a nice outfit. I don't know which shoes I'm gonna wear with it though, because I don't know what happened to this my outfit. I don't know what happened to my I think I need to put on one tights. Just no. Let me try that tights here. Not gonna try. I won't. I don't know which shoes to wear with it, because the shoes that I wanted to wear with this outfit has not reached as yet, and I'm gonna have no nice flat boot to wear with it. So I'm gonna take my second wear my little old cheap boot with it. I need to put on one socks though. I like what it feels. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I can probably wear my brown boots and then wear like my brown. Let's see. Not this one. It's this one, but where's the boot? So in that. Hell? Where's my boot? I'm not lying. I can't find my shoes. So what's things in that. Things in that. Where's my boot there? This don't make no sense. Which boot in this? Exactly. Oh, let me look at on there, bed. Okay. Yeah, I probably can get away with these, because as I said, we're going for a walk, right? So if I wear like a brown jacket with it, then it probably work, right? I'm supposed to be like the weirdest person wearing socks and stocking. I've worn this boot probably once. It doesn't fit my foot good. It fits, it's big. Like, it's really big. Because I'm a size 39. And the person was like, no, we'll get a size 40. Oh, worst thing I ever did in my life was to listen to somebody who doesn't know my foot, and I know my foot better than anybody else. And they were like, get a size 40. I'm gonna get the size 40 and it don't fit. Alright. Yeah, I was thinking this would offset the darkness and like, okay, so it go okay with the bro. You don't see me? I don't feel like you don't see me. You see? I don't see if I'm not. I don't know, yeah, but I just made that think. Why am I stacking? Feel like it alright. Oh my god, I'm doing this on camera. So yeah, I think it will work, and then I just wear my LV bag, my little knapsack, right? I think so. I always take your headphones, because you never know, like, anyways guys, hold on, I'm coming.
Welcome to Disney of 2022. No! Please don't.
But late. I'm taking it off. I'm surprised they didn't stop us for the car.
Yeah.
Like I was expecting it. Right.
Hello.
You sing this song in the national song? Are you Dongguan? Everywhere they put this song.
You wanna see yourself? You can see yourself.
Sorry? Oh yeah, it's upside down. Oh yeah, yeah, because you just show.
Flip it. Yeah.
Wow, it's amazing. Nice, I love it.
Connected.
Donguan, 谢谢, good weather.
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
Xi'an also had a park like this, similar. Also with boats. It's bigger. Actually, in China, there are some places like you visit. And
They look the same.
yeah, it's
Right.
kind of the same.
It's a lot here in China.
Yeah, same spots.
Oh, so cute.
I wanna, Anna, can you take a picture of me? Anna, can you take a picture of me?
Hello. Hi. You're such a cute baby. Victoria's taking a picture. I want a picture too.
Alright.
Hi, Matt.
Hi.
So we're at this park in Dongcheng, right? But there's also people here because other than it being the New Year's, it's a holiday in China. So you will go and find lots of people in the park, or if it was an area with lots of beach, at the beach. And because there is a place here where you go up to the top and make your wish and it will come through for the new year. So that's what most of them are doing today. I don't think we're going to go that to the top because our girl wore boots.
The person who discovers gravity, isn't it?
Newton?
Yeah.
Isaac Newton.
I love him. He looks like Chopin. Maybe. I love him, man.
All on fire. All on tight.
Please don't go. I love you.
Oh wow. Okay.
Alright. It's alright, we have different audience.
I just wanted through the trees a picture of him.
So we're at the temple. You climb the top.
Yes? Yeah, let's go.
We went to the top. We're going to the top, guys.
I think for that muffin to walk it off, it's a little bit more than just a flight of stairs.
I'll let you guys know how it is.
Probably 10 trips up and down, yeah?
15.
It's so cute, beautiful.
Możesz się go Běžte vremena.
The view is beautiful. So we made it to the top, guys. Oh, we're not. I thought we were at the top. We're actually not at the top. We have more flights to go. I thought we were at the top just now.
No, we're not.
I was like, we made it to the top.
Yeah, I want a picture of the house. I want to find out whose house it is. And then I can marry KK.
Okay, I'll be the one. I'll take you all in my house to live with me.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, that's kind of.
Okay, so we're at the top now.
Ladies, do you have a nice detail of the product?
One time in the city, I mean in the town actually, where I spent
Very tired, but it's so beautiful.
Throw me down, I'll still
Yes, okay. No, don't.
Hello. How are you? Neoma? You're fine, okay? What's
so beautiful.
Thank you. What's your name?
What's your name?
Well,
Yeah.
my name is KK.
Oh, Kiki.
Yes, nice to meet you all.
Okay.
Bye.
What's your name?
My name is KK. What's your name? What's your name? What's your KK?
丁一鸣，
Diming?
丁一鸣，
Ting Yiming.
对，Hi。
Oh,
Yes.
hi.
Happy New Year。
Happy New Year.
讲啊，大胆的讲啊，大喊。Can you bring your baby out?
Thank you. 谢谢你。
Claudia! I'm here. Full quality. Oh.
Guys, they're taking me on a boat and I don't want to go. We're gonna pedal. Say hello.
Hello。Hello。
What's your KK?
哇，好。
So we're going on the boat. I'm afraid. Hold on.
I was driving. I love cars. I love driving. I miss it so much.
Yeah, I miss driving too.
Yeah, there's a.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, there's a boat coming.
Coming, okay. Towards you a bit. No, towards Victoria, sorry. Great.
Okay, to middle. And just keep pedaling.
See them this big. You really, yeah, me too. Wow. Oh my god. They're enormous.
Hi guys, so I'm back home. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm gonna fall. Yeah, so the day was, oops, not my boobs. The day was actually a good day. Like, I had fun. Oh my god, I'm tired now. We had lunch afterwards. But I didn't vlog lunch. I was tired at that point. I was like super tired. So I didn't really vlog lunch, but it was good. I brought Zappo takeaway. So we have that for dinner later. But I had I don't know why I'm like this. Let me take the shoes off of me and stop doing this because I'm only destroying the shoes. But I had what should I call it? I cleared meat out, so I probably need to cook. Okay, I'm going to just take you off properly. I got some nice pictures out today, which I wanted because that's why I wore my outfit and my boots. I'm not dressed in like sweaters and stuff. Today is really a nice day. The weather is really good. I need to wash some stuff. Actually, yesterday I started washing, but I didn't finish washing, so I need to finish washing today. I think I might go out later. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm contemplating it. Remember, I was supposed to go out last night, but I didn't. Well, I did go out last night, but I just went to the river and I chilled, not by myself. I was with one of my coworkers, and then I chilled. And after chilling, well, I went there and I did some reflection on my life. I wrote some stuff in my book that I want to do this year and all of that. Yeah, so that's what I did. So yeah, so while I was doing those reflections last night, I'm gonna take out meat because I have this meat in the fridge. It's mutton, so I think I want to make curry mutton tonight. I don't know yet. I think so because I already took it out from yesterday for it to defrost. Need to wash my hands. So yeah, let me turn the light on because you guys aren't seeing me, right? Oh. Ah, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, I think. And after doing that, I don't know yet. It depends on my mood. I think I want to sleep now. I'm so tired. Last night I was walking all over the riverside, and then today, and then I walked. Well, we walked to the river, and then we walked along the, what do you call it? We walked along the river. And then after that today I walked, and then we walked up the top of the tower thing that you guys saw. And I did lots of walking, so I'm really tired now. So I don't know, I don't want to take off my makeup because I'm not doing my makeup over again. But I want to sleep also, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So, because I don't like sleeping in makeup. I really don't practice sleeping in makeup. I need to call some of my friends and tell them Happy New Year. Like today I got like a really nice Happy New Year from somebody that I don't even know that well. I've known him for like probably 4 days or 3 days, and he was like, hope you have a Happy New Year, all the things that you want. He was just blessing my life for the year. My mom did the same thing yesterday, but you know, for a stranger to do it, it's like really awesome, and the people you expect to do for you, they're not doing it. Like, I need more people like him in my, not like that, guys. I need more people, more friends like that in my life, that they just pour love and blessing in your life. Like, I don't really have lots of that here in China. I really don't have any of it, to be honest, guys. Yeah, so it was really nice for somebody to be like, yo, all your dreams, I wish they come true. Like everything that you didn't get that you wanted in 2021. It was just really awesome, to the point that I really wanted to cry, but I didn't cry because I was like, yo, like, you know, sometimes God send people in your life, whether it is for just a little time, He send them in your life for them to do certain things, and then sometimes Satan send people too, but you know the thing go, this one seemed like somebody with God sent for now. So yeah, let's see if the clothes here are dry. They seem to be dry, but anyways, I need to wash my other clothes, and then yeah, so this is my little laundry area, my little laundry balcony. I have 2 balconies. One is for the laundry, and then the other one is like whatever you want to make it, which I made it inside the sitting area slash cleaning area because I have all my cleaning items out there. So yeah, I look so pretty. Like, I'm a beautiful girl. I'm so beautiful. I took some bomb ass pictures. Let me show you guys. Matt took some bomb ass pictures of me. Let me say that. Look at this picture. If it's not focusing, focus. Well, you get the drift. Just imagine my face on this picture right now. This is beautiful. And then this. Oh. Why do I have these in my phone? Oh, I took them. But she has better. So, no need. And then this was like what do you call these? My brain is not working right now, but these were like candid pictures. Like, these weren't posed. This is like a picture that I was just laughing. And this one too. I love laughing, as you can see. And then this is a posed one, obviously. This is a candid one. I did not pose for this. I like candid pictures of me more. And then this was me this morning, like all natural. You know, this is one thing I always tend to do. I don't know, like I tend to always take a picture like on January 1st, like how I look. Yeah, but my last January 1st picture I don't have because why? I don't know. I don't know why I don't have it. Because I think I had this phone. So I don't know, I probably deleted it, but this was my first picture for the year. I look so beautiful. I know, thank you. No filter, no nothing. Just my naked skin. And I love it. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a happy new year. If I do anything, I'll come back. If not, then this is going to be the end of the video. So yeah, I have school on Tuesday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Today feels like Sunday, to be honest. Tomorrow I'm going to, I don't know if I should do it tomorrow or I should do it today, but I wanted to, I was telling you guys that I wanted to go to this color thing, right? This place that sells makeup. I want to go there, and they sell perfume as well, not just makeup, colognes, perfume, other perfume, whatever you call it. They sell those kind of things. I want to go there. I'm learning to live in the element of Dongwan just now. Like, I've been living in Dongwan since July, but I have not really explored Dongwan. I've been staying home mostly, and if I have friends, well, people come and ask me. Sometimes I go, sometimes I don't. But I've not really explored a lot of Dongwan, and this year I want to just, not really only Dongwan, but I want to explore a lot more. Like, I've just been stuck in my house, and for various reasons, like one of the major reasons that, like, I don't know if a lot of people talk about it, but Chinese people are like acting like we're the one who caused COVID here, and I can't deal with that a lot of times. Like, it hurts me when I'm outside and somebody puts up their mask or turn their face, turn their head. It kind of affects me, and over a period of time, it's like it brings me lower and lower and lower. I haven't put the thing in. It brings me lower and lower and lower. So I just, to not have it, let this finish. To not let it affect me, I just go out when I need to go to the supermarket most time. And off lately, I was going to the gym, but then we had some COVID cases here, so I I stopped in the middle of that. So yeah, when the gym opens back up, I'm going back to the gym because I need to lose at least 20 pounds, and that's it. I don't want to lose lots of weight. I just need to get rid of my belly. If I can't get rid of it, I know which part I can go get rid of it, but I don't want to do that. I want to get rid of it naturally. So yeah, that's what I want to do, and I want to explore Donguan some more. It's like winter, but the weather is still nice because today we're in like the 20s, so we still have good weather. So some days are good, some days are bad. So yeah, we'll explore on the good days. As I said before, if it's like a working day, I don't think I'm going to vlog, but I'll definitely vlog on the weekends that I have off. I want to go to different cities, so that would be good. I don't know, let's see. Winter holiday is coming up, and I know I won't be here. Like, I'll be outside like I've never been outside before. I put on my Instagram that people need to invite me out because I'll be outside, but I don't know if my friends take me seriously because I'm not really an outside person. But trust me, I'm trying to be outside. I'm exploring. I'm gonna turn, you know, my birthday is gonna come this year and the girl's gonna get bigger. She's grown, so I want to do grown people stuff. Like, I can afford to travel. Why not travel? Why sit down and allow people to hinder me and get me down? Like, I don't understand why I did that, and I kind of do. It's not really, it was more stuff, but yeah, because my expectations for when I came here was a little bit different. With concerns, not really people here, but people. So my expectation was different. I thought that things were going to be different and I would have people to go out with, but it didn't work out that way. So yeah, I need to learn to do things on my own because I was doing that when I was in Pyeongchang. Remember, I was taking myself out on dates. I don't know if you guys knew that, but my Instagram and WhatsApp people would know I was taking myself on dates. I was going out by myself to eat dinner, eat lunch. I don't know why I don't feel like saying I must let people hinder me from doing things. As I said, I don't know. So tonight, as I told you guys, I might go out. So if we go out, I'm taking y'all. Maybe not, because the person that I'm going out with, I've never met in person. So yeah, I don't want to stick a camera in front of somebody's face that is new, brand new. Like, I don't want to do that. So I might just video a little thing, and that's it. Yeah, guys, I'm tired. I don't know if I should cook my curry, but I wanted to eat last night. I wanted to eat curry goat and dumplings so bad, but I was thinking I needed to do it with something else. But I don't know. I feel like I might talk too much now. I need some water for drink, guys. Yesterday I'm gonna clean my house. You want to see my house? Not like me clean yesterday. Well, it does, like, places. Like, this is the problem that I have. I don't put things back. So I need to start putting things back so that it don't look like it's being disturbed. So let me put this back, put my shoes back. I was going to wear these shoes today, but I changed my outfit. I wanted to wear something more girly and more cute so I could take cute pictures for the new year. I haven't put any picture on my Instagram in a while, so I wanted to free up my Instagram pic, you know. Fresh year, shouldn't say I'm still there, you know. Although they know that I'm still here because I do take videos on my story. I'm very active on my stories on Instagram, so that's it. Really.